So now so today I'll be showing you how to make sales using the Sony Retail POS. So we'll start by logging in as admin, because I'm using the admin password. Is 1234, and then you click on POS. So when you're opening the software every day for the first time, you're supposed to input your opening cash opening drawer. So you input your cash at hand, but if there's none, you just have to leave it at 0. Then just click OK. So here is the main screen. So you will have the deodorant we had on the previous video. So we have already added deodorant as the products, Nivea and Shore Roll-On at the moment. So here, so assuming these are the product we have, so to make a sale, you just click on any one of them. For example, Nivea Roll-On, and see it added there. Shore Roll-On, see it added there. And then you can also scan the barcode if you're using a barcode scanner, and product will also be added instantly to the data grid by the right. So now assuming this is the only product the customer wants to buy, so you can just we have several options of settle, quick settle, or F2 to pay. So we're going to use quick settle. So both item is 1,450, so just click on quick settle. So yeah, print receipts. Okay, so printer is not connected to my system, so I'm not printing, so I'll just have to click on. Now the sales is done, so you can attend to the next customer one. Then you can also click on it and then increase the product quantity. So we've applied a new quantity, making it 5. So you click on the change quantity. When you select the product, click on change quantity, and here you can define the quantity you wish to sell to the customer. So yeah, I'm gonna click on quick settle. And then if you have a printer, just click on yes, and then the printer will roll. So now we'll make sales for today, and then we can go to the back office to take a look at the sales. So there's a shortcut button here available only for admin to go back to the back office by clicking on back office button here. So here we are at the back office. So we have our POS report here. From the back office, we can run a report. So we have several reports here. We have the best selling item by charts, and then we have sales item ledger. So here we see the items sold, the admin, the operator that make the sales, and then the quantity that were sold. So we can run a report based on dates. So this is sales report for today until ID. So we have total sales of 5,200. So that's how you see. So we have several reports available to enable you to understand your business better. So still see it here, and here you see your your profit margin. So today we'll make a total of 1,400 naira. You can see it. So, and then we'll check our stock. Let's go to store inventory. So here, this is for warehouse inventory, so we are looking at the store inventory. So we see, let's click on show all. So you can see we sold one of the Nivea roll-on and remain 19. So we sold 6 offshore and remain 14. So you see, that is how. And then here gives you the total stock value for each of these products. So that is all on how to make a sales, and so that is all on how to make a sales and view your sales report for the day. Thank you.